Hello student, today we are going to study chapter number 1, that is very interesting chapter, and the chapter name is Food, where does it come from? So today we will study food, where does it come from? So you can see the pictures of the foods. So what do you mean by food? So food is a substance eaten by us to do work, grow, maintain our body and remain healthy. So we can see that food क्या है, एक substance है which is eaten by us to do work, because without food we cannot do any work, and with the help of the food we can grow, maintain our body, remain healthy. So what are the sources of food? From where we get food? So we can easily get food from the plants and animal. How? Plants are the source of food material like cereals, pulses, oil, fruits, vegetables, sugar, etc. And animal provide us food materials such as milk, egg, chicken, meat, fish, honey, etc. So, how can we say that plants as a source of food? So, plants have parts. That is, plants, various parts of the plant, the various parts of the plant which are used as a food material by us are roots, stem, leaves, flower, fruits, and seeds. So, today we are going to study one by one how plants, we can say that as a source of food, how their parts of the plant used as a source of food. So we just take an example, plant's root as a food. Some plants store food in their roots, the roots of the such plant as a food. For example, carrot is a root, radish is a root, sweet potato is a root, turnip is a root, which is used as a food material, are the roots of their respective plants. So we can say that these are the examples of the roots of the respective plants which we can easily eaten by us. So this is the image of the roots as a vegetables: beetroot, radish, carrot, turnip. So now come to the point, plant stems as a food. How can we see that plants as a plant stems as a food? So how can we say that कि plants के जो stems होते हैं वो हमारे food के काम में आते हैं? So let's take it. Some plants store food in their stems. We eat the stems of the such plant as a food. For example, onion is a stem. Okay, potato is also an example of stem. Ginger is also example of stem. Garlic is also example of stem. Turmeric is also example of stem, which we use as a food material are the stems of their respective plants. So you can see the examples of the stems as a food such as potato, ginger. Now come to the point, that is plants leaves as a food. So the leaves vegetables are the leaves of the plant. So we can see that कि जो leaves होती हैं vegetable की are the leaves of the plants. Example, spinach are the leaves of the plant which we eat as a vegetable. We can see, हम घर पे भी देखते हैं पालक मम्मा बनाती है पालक की सब्जी. So this is the leaves and we eat that. That is a example of plant's leaf as a food. Similarly, the leaves of the mustard plant are also eaten by as a vegetable. So हम कह सकते हैं सरसों का साग. Basically in winter time we use सरसों का साग, mustard leaves of the mustard, and we eat. That is very tasty. So we can say that the plants leave as a food. Cabbage, lettuce are also leaf vegetables. This is an example of leaves as a food. Now come to the point, flowers is also an example of food. How? Some plants which store food in their flowers. So we eat the flowers of such plant as a food. For example, the flowers of banana plants are eaten by us as a vegetable in many parts of our country. The flowers of pumpkin plant are also eaten by as a food. So you can see cauliflower is also an example of flower which is eaten by us. So now come to the point that seeds as a food. Some of the plants store food in their seeds, so we eat the seed of these plants as a food. Example, food grains such as wheat, rye, sorghum, millet, bengal, grams. All these are examples of seeds as a food. So you can see the picture. It is beans, kidney bean, gram, peas, all examples of seeds, and we eat that seed as a food. So thank you for today's class. I hope you enjoy this session, this class, and we will study further in our next class.